Hello everybody, my name is Luke and I'm with the Grays Lake Area Public Library. Today we'll be taking a look at one of our Learn and Research tools, NoveList Plus, a great resource to find your next great read. On our Learn and Research page, if we scroll down to the bottom, you'll see reader recommendations. And there are actually two versions of NoveList Plus here. There's the NoveList Plus for all ages, and then one specific for kindergarten through 8th grade. We're going to be looking at the regular version today. So click on NoveList Plus. And if you are using a library computer or you are on our Wi-Fi, you will automatically be taken to this page. If you're accessing it from home, you will need to enter your Grays Lake Area library card number. This is NoveList Plus's homepage. To get started, we're going to search for a book that we really liked. And we're going to find read-alikes and other books that have the same types of themes and genres based on that book. We'll go ahead and search for The Women by Kristen Hanna. If I hit enter here, it should be the first result. There we go. Now on this page, we can see a couple different things. We can see The Women was published in February of 2024. We can see that it has received almost 5-star reviews from Goodreads, and its popularity is at 5. The popularity is not the same as the rating. This is just how often this book is looked up in particular. If I want to find any read-alikes for this book, I can click on Title Read-alikes or Author Read-alikes. Clicking on this will bring me to a page of other books that share the same kinds of themes, characters, and more. If I go back and click on the title, it will bring me to this page. From this page, we can see several different things. First, we see a summary of the book with its description, genre, themes, mood, and style. And if I scroll down, you can see the publication reviews of this book from library journals and other major book reviewers. On the right-hand side, we have read-alikes. So these are books that are like this book. And down here, we have all the different themes and styles and subjects of this book. Let's say I want to find something to read that is kind of like this, but I don't really want to read any of the ones that are listed on the right-hand side. I can check off these different descriptors. I can choose something that's fast-paced with family relationships, that's a feel-good mood. If I scroll down and click search, you can see it returns with 90 different books. One of those is The Women, but as we scroll down, we'll see different titles from different authors. You don't have to start from a book to get your read-alikes or other suggestions. If you go to the search bar at the top, I can just enter a general theme I'm going for. I say I want to read a book that's funny with vampires. That will bring me to this search result page. I see the first couple of books here are intended for a younger audience. I'm interested in searching for adult books, so I'm going to go to the left-hand side, click on adult, and update results. And that will bring me the results I'm looking for. So you can see I have a ton of different results here. On the left-hand side, you can choose genre, theme, identities, storylines, characterization. So let's say I wanted to find urban fantasy. That will bring me those results. And I can click on any one of the books to read more about it. Those are the basics of NoveList Plus. We hope you find it useful, and we'll see you soon.